CM Panchal, exercise number 46. Dear sirs, we very much regret that on the occasion of the last visit of your representative, our manager was unfortunately absent through illness. He was very disappointed because he had hoped to have the pleasure of discussing the possibility of introducing new and improved machinery into our factory. The demand for our products has been steadily increasing for some year and has now reached a point where we have considerable trouble in satisfying it. But our problem admits of two solutions. One would be to extend our factory buildings and lay down more plant of the type we are at present using. This would not be an easy thing to do, as there is no suitable space adjoining our present building, and if possible we do not wish to divide our works into two portions, nor are we desirous of entirely removing the whole of our factory to a fresh site. The other solution that presents itself is to take out our present plant and replace it with something more modern that will be capable of giving a much increased output. We have had very satisfactory report as to the way in which your machines behave when in regular use, and are therefore anxious to have some details as to the probable cost of adopting your appliances to our special needs, and also further information as to their maximum output, together with particulars of cost of running. Our manager, Mr. Scullion, has now fully recovered, and we shall be glad if you will make an appointment to see him at an early date. It would then be possible for a thorough survey of the whole situation to be made, and we hope that such a visit would be productive of a scheme that would meet our difficulties. Yours faithfully, over.